Today I'm going to tell you that how you can boost your system, or if your system is very slow, then how you can make it fast. So first you have to do is you have to go to command window R. So this pop-up will come. You have to write it. So what you have to do is you have to press Ctrl plus A and delete these files permanently. It will boost up your system, and it's first this was the first step you're gonna do. And now in the second step, then you have to go to window R and this run command. So write prefetch, enter, remove these files as well permanently. Another step you have to do is you have to right click on your network, go on network and sharing setting, go to advanced setting and internet options. Then you have to do is delete temporary files, history, cookies, saved passwords. So you have to press this delete button, and what you're gonna do is preserve favorite temporary files, cookies, histories. You have to delete this. So this trick will definitely help you in your boosting up your system. If your system is slow and working not well, or your system browser is not good or not working well, now you can see that it just went quickly now. So that's it. Please watch and subscribe and press the bell icon as well.